Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed plant content where we talk about the good, the bad, the thriving, and the dying plants in our collection. And we try to learn how to grow the plants better, and we share that information through the comments. So if that sounds like something you really want to be a part of, hit the subscribe button and come hang out. So today is a couple days before Father's Day. I'm not going to be able to go home for that. And last time I was there, I took a plant that I had gifted to my parents, partially because it was suffering. It was not doing well. Let me go get that plant. Hold on. Okay, so it was a philodendron Brazil. It's better now because I took it and I started watering it because my dad was not watering the plant. Hi, Dad. Anyway, I originally had it set up like this so that part of it would trail and then part of it would kind of climb, but didn't happen that way. So we're just gonna see what else goes. Maybe I'll try to trellis some of this up here so that we have some climbing, some trailing, because I'd like to see how the plant reacts to climbing as well as trailing. So I gotta figure that out and do that a little bit later. So my dad probably doesn't even know I took the plant, but I took it. I have it now, Dad. So the philodendrons need a little bit more water, a little bit more attention, and my dad doesn't want to really give that kind of attention to a plant. I feel like a lot of plant people who, they're really enthusiastic about having houseplants and stuff like that, tend to gift their friends and family plants, and you kind of have to figure out what kind of care that particular person is willing to give to plants. So anything that needs water on a regular basis is out for my dad. So I'm gonna turn the camera down so that you can see the plants that I got for him, and yeah, we're gonna make a little display for him. And I don't know if I'll be able to see him for Father's Day, but he can watch the video. If I set this all up right, this should air on Father's Day. He can see it and know that eventually he will be getting this little plant display. So, okay guys, so first let me introduce you to the plants. So the first plant is it's an old man cactus. I thought it was fitting since he is an old man, so yeah. So I got him an old man cactus, and then I also got two little blue cactus. So I'm going to be putting them in this planter, probably with the old man cactus in the middle and then the two blue cactus, one on each side. So that is our plan. Hopefully I don't get stuck too much, but that's what we're gonna do. So I will put on some music and we can watch me do this together. Alrighty. Okay, so I'm gonna be using these tongs to hopefully not stick myself. So we will do a quick up close shot. This is the old man cactus, or type of old man cactus. And these are just some like blue, greeny looking type of cacti. I just like that they were the same height, so that's why I picked them. Yep. Okay, I'm also going to be reusing this substrate because I think they're growing in it now, so why not, right? Alright. Alright guys, so this is the little plant display I made for my dad. We got an old man cactus and 2 blue cacti. And this is in a little display counter. I got this at Home Depot, I believe. It's cute. There's no drainage hole. So, but it's alright. The mix is very barky and very sandy, as you saw all the mess. So I think it will be fine. So happy Father's Day, Dad. This is your new display where you can put it wherever it is you want and pretty much forget about it. And then I'll water it when I come to visit. So yeah. Alrighty guys, until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.